Hi everyone, this is Priyanka Sharma and we are back with another video from Confido Land Base. आज हम Vinchan shoot कर रहे हैं and we have already shown you other typologies that they have here. If you're looking for a villa or a villament, हमारी videos already channel पे हैं. You can go through those videos and you will find very beautiful typologies of a villa and a villament. आज मैं penthouse आपको दिखाऊंगी. If you're looking for something which is luxurious but also gives you a feel of an apartment, penthouse is a good option for those people. But अगर आप चाहते हैं आपके पास एक individual घर हो, then villa and the villament are a very good option as well. Well, all these three fall under the same kind of typology. We also have similar apartments like a 2 BHK, 3 BHK and even a 4 BHK apartment. So they have many typologies. This project goes with the concept of Saptarishi. मैंने अपनी पहली वीडियोस में भी बताया है. Saptarishi concept का मतलब ये है कि यहाँ पे जितने भी apartments हैं, जितने भी पेंट हाउस हैं, जितने भी यहाँ पे टावर्स हैं, वो सब कुछ 7 के मल्टीपल में बनाए गए हैं, लाइक हैविंग 14 विलास और हैविंग 7 अपार्टमेंट्स और 7 बिल्डिंग्स, 7 टावर्स, समथिंग लाइक दैट, विच इज़ वेरी ऑस्पिशियस एंड काफ़ी उसके पीछे एक रीजनिंग होती है. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट, दिस इज लोकेटेड इन सेक्टर 112 ऑफ द्वारका एक्सप्रेसवे. द्वारका एक्सप्रेसवे बिल्कुल यहाँ से 2 मिनट की दूरी पे है. यहाँ से विजिबल भी है द्वारका एक्सप्रेसवे. उसके साथ ही साथ 60,000 स्क्वायर फीट का यहाँ पे क्लब हाउस है. उसके अंदर कई सारी एमिनिटीज़ हैं जो कि हमने अपनी पहली वीडियोस में भी बताई हैं. यू मस्ट गो एंड चेक दोज वीडियोस आउट इफ़ यू वांट मोर इन्फॉर्मेशन अबाउट दिस प्रोजेक्ट. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट, क्लब हाउस के साथ ही साथ यहाँ पर आ जाते हैं कई सारे स्कूल्स, हॉस्पिटल, शॉपिंग कॉम्प्लेक्स, मेजर एंटरटेनमेंट एरियाज. ये सेक्टर ऐसा है जहाँ पर आपको दिल्ली और गुड़गांव दोनों का ही आनंद आएगा, विच मीन्स यू कैन हैव द बेस्ट ऑफ बोथ द वर्ल्ड, बोथ द सिटीज़, बी इट दिल्ली और बी इट गुड़गांव, बिकॉज यहाँ से दिल्ली भी बहुत पास में है और गुड़गांव में तो ये है ही. देन ऑफकोर्स द लोकेशन इज़ अमेजिंग. ऐसा प्रोजेक्ट आपको बहुत ही कम देखने को मिलेगा. ये बहुत ही प्यारा और बहुत ही यूनिक कॉन्सेप्ट है. अगर आपने हमारी पहली वीडियोज़ देखी हैं तो आपको पता चल ही चुका होगा, बट मैं इस वीडियो में भी थोड़ा सा आपको बता देती हूँ. राइट नाउ आई एम स्टैंडिंग एट द स्काई वॉक. स्काई वॉक मैंने बहुत ही कम प्रोजेक्ट्स में देखे हैं. ये स्काई वॉक बहुत ही ज़्यादा ब्यूटीफुल है. स्काई वॉक आपको बाकी जितने भी 7 हमारे टावर्स हैं उससे कनेक्ट करती है. बहुत ही ईजी एक्सेसिबल हो जाता है, कम्यूट फ्रॉम वन टावर टू अनदर. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट, while I was going through this whole project, I saw many elder people, many students living in this society which were utilizing this space to maybe read books or just to have their morning walks or their evening walks. बहुत ही अच्छा space है. बहुत ज़्यादा सुंदर तरीके से बनाया गया है. फ्लोर मैप बहुत प्यारा है. हर तरफ प्लांटेशन की गई है. आफ्टर एवरी फ्यू वॉक्स और आफ्टर एवरी फ्यू स्टेप्स यू विल से सिटिंग अरेंजमेंट. तो अगर आप थक गए हैं चलते चलते एंड यू आर यू जस्ट वांट टू एंजॉय द सन while you sit, you can relax over there in the sitting area. तो काफ़ी कुछ है विंचांस में ऑफर करने के लिए कस्टमर्स को, बट इस समय मैं आपको दिखाऊंगी हमारा पेंट हाउस. आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड फॉर दैट. इट्स अ ब्यूटीफुल पेंट हाउस that has an excellent floor map, a lot of ventilation, a lot of natural lighting, and of course it's a huge space. Well, Vinchans में काफ़ी limited inventory रह गई है यहाँ पे क्योंकि इतने अच्छे floor maps हैं और काफ़ी सारी typologies हैं. So all kinds of people are going for it so that they can get along with the like-minded people and they also enjoy the luxury that this project has to offer. Well, Vinchans में बहुत ही limited inventory है and for that you can contact us so that we can offer you very exclusive and the best deals out in the market. Well, now I am in the tower lobby and we have the penthouse right across me. I am gonna show it to you. The size is going to be 6471 square feet. It's huge, massive, and there are a lot of things that I want to discuss. But let me first take you inside and then I'll tell you all about it. Alright, so the moment you enter, आप देखेंगे it's spacious. It is so big. The size is 4 BHK. As you can see, this is double heighted and you get French windows going from top to bottom. इस तरीके की French windows usually आपको कम देखने को मिलती हैं बाकी projects में, where you can choose from which side you want to open or you want to close, how much ventilation do you want, how much sunlight do you want. Along with that, it gives you a great view as well. Since it's a penthouse, it comes with a lot of advantages, which is of course top floor है. Then there is going to be a lot of ventilation. बहुत ज़्यादा sunlight आने वाली है and of course since it's a penthouse, the size matters a lot of this penthouse. It's obviously very huge. Now, this can be your family lounge area or the guest lounge area, depends upon your choices and preferences. I would go for a guest lounge area for this one. So ये आपका guest lounge area हो जाएगा, but when you move further, you will also have the elevators over here. So this is something which is optional. You can go for the elevator, you can leave it the way it is, and you can design it accordingly, but we do have space for that. और उसके साथ ही साथ हमारा आ जाता है powder room, connecting you with the family lounge area or the guest lounge area. So this is the powder room. The powder room has a vanity and the toilet seat. So guest के लिए काफ़ी convenient हो जाएगा. They will not hinder your personal space. This is a different area. So basically आपका जो guest lounge area है वो उस तरफ है, but this is another space that you can utilize. You can make it an entertainment area. You can leave it the way it is, or you can make it a small library. So there's a lot of things that you can do over here, but this has a connecting balcony. So there's a surprise that I would like to show you all. The surprise is the balcony, of course, is very huge. It is very wide. काफ़ी ज़्यादा space है, और since I said कि top floor है, penthouse है तो top floor है, बहुत ज़्यादा airy है, बहुत ज़्यादा ventilation है, बहुत प्यारा जो sun kissed है, वो बहुत ही अच्छी feel आ रही है यहाँ पर. But the surprise is this one with the penthouse. Something which is very, very rare. You do not get this in a lot of penthouses and other projects. You are getting it in Vinchants, which is a plunge pool. This is a luxury experience. Something very rare, very unique. I would say this is a steal deal for a lot of people who want to have a luxury but want to also stay in a society which makes them feel a little safe. There are many guards, many security check-ins. So you want something like that. But with something like that, you do not get something like this, a plunge pool. That is something that you get in your personal ghar, personal house, personal build a floor. But Vinchants is offering you that as well. So it gives you the experience of both the worlds. Something where you'll have your own space also, but you will be having a plunge pool also, security also, and there are a lot of things about this project. From here, you get the view of the clubhouse. Now you can see the complete floor map of the clubhouse from here. बहुत ही अच्छा view है, and यहाँ से आपको skywalk का भी view मिल जाता है. So of course people who will be living here will experience these things, which are very small things. But once you start living in a project, you realize how important these small things make your living. Now coming back inside the project, हमारा dining area इस तरफ आ जाता है. आपको पूरे फ्लोर पे इटालियन मार्बल मिलेगा, बट रूम्स में यू गेट द वुडन फ्लोरिंग. सो वी ऑल्सो गेट द VRV AC. डाइनिंग एरिया में यू गेट 1 VRV AC, एंड इन द लाउंज एरिया विच इज़ अ वेरी ह्यूज लाउंज एरिया, यू गेट 4 VRV AC. So it was very mindful and thoughtful at the same time. They knew it's a huge space, and for such a huge space, they need at least 4 ACs to provide you good air conditioning. Now we have the attached balcony as well on this side. So जो ventilation है वो बहुत अच्छी हो जाएगी, क्योंकि दोनों तरफ पे आपकी balcony है, and इसके साथ ही साथ view भी आ जाता है, natural lighting भी बहुत ज़्यादा आ जाती है. Mosquito mesh लगाए गए हैं, so that especially in summers, it can safeguard you from all the mosquitoes. This is a separate balcony that connects you with the dining area. From here also you can see the Delhi Green, and from here you can also see the Dwarka Expressway. ये अभी under construction है, but it is going very fast. 24/7 construction चल रही है, and it is about to end. So यहाँ से आपको पता चल सकता है कि Dwarka Expressway एकदम project के साथ ही है, just 2 minutes away from here. Great connectivity, of course, that I have already told you in the beginning. Dining area के साथ ही हमारा connecting kitchen आ जाता है. Kitchen is huge. It's very, very spacious. Along with that, there is something new that you can do over here. वो है कि आप यहाँ पे island counter का भी space है. So for people जिन्हें थोड़ा और modern बनाना है kitchen, और people who like to have their breakfast inside the kitchen, वो यहाँ पर island counter भी बना सकते हैं. यहाँ पे उतना space है. And then along with that, shelf जो है kitchen की वो चारों तरफ पे है. You get the chimney and hob already, like it is, like you see. And of course 2 sink bowls. बहुत ज़्यादा storage space है पूरे kitchen में. The kitchen comes with a utility balcony, and of course the French window, बहुत natural lighting आएगी. You can do the plantation outside, and from the window itself you can just plug the flowers, the plants, whatsoever, and make your food. So this is the utility area. Utility area काफ़ी huge है. इतना बड़ा utility बैल्कनी मैंने बहुत ही कम प्रोजेक्ट्स में देखी हैं, सो काफ़ी यूनिक कॉन्सेप्ट है इस पूरे पेंट हाउस का। काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें हैं जैसे कि प्लंज पूल, बिग यूटिलिटी बैल्कनी, अ वेरी ह्यूज किचन, ये सब चीज़ें आपको एक साथ एक प्रोजेक्ट में बहुत कम देखने को मिलेंगी, बट विंडट्रांड्स हैज़ दैट इन द पेंट हाउस। सो this is how the utility balcony looks like. Now there is another thing which adds on to the project, which is they have room for 2 helpers. So if you have 2 helpers in the house, you can have different separate rooms for them too. So this is the first bedroom for your help. This one is the common washroom for both the helps you have. And then we have another bedroom. So the bedroom for the helps is also of good space. वहाँ पर भी ऐसा नहीं है कि कुछ कम कर दिया हो, तो काफ़ी अच्छी तरीके से बनाया गया है. Also, if you only have one domestic help, then in that case you can utilize the other space for your storage. We are done with the kitchen, the living area and the dining area as well, along with the balconies on both the sides. Ground floor पे, or I would say on the first level of the penthouse, we get the master bedroom here only. Master bedroom is absolutely beautiful. Bedrooms में आपको wooden flooring मिलती है along with the VRV ACs, and you get a separate entry towards the plunge pool. So मैं आपको पहले भी दिखा ही चुकी हूँ. From here you can see the plunge pool. So master bedroom के साथ एक separate entry है थोड़ा और luxurious feel करवाने के लिए. And with that आपको एक walk-in wardrobe भी मिलता है. Here you can create your own cavity, and then it is connecting you with another surprise waiting for all the customers who are looking for Windchance and the properties that they have to offer, which is that you get a bathtub in the bathroom along with the possession, which is very rare again in many projects. You can see it's a huge washroom with a very long and huge space vanity. And along with that, you also get a separate cubicle for your shower space. Alright, with the Italian marble, wooden flooring and VRV ACs, you also get sprinklers and smoke detectors भी लगे हैं. Plunge pool भी है. So many things, a great view, great ventilation. Natural lighting is already there. As you can see, अभी हम shoot कर रहे हैं, but there is no electricity right now in the house, and it's an actual apartment, raw apartment है, and this is what you get, what you see is what you get. And अभी जो भी हम shoot कर रहे हैं, that is all in the natural lighting. So natural lighting बहुत ज़्यादा होने वाली है घर के अंदर. This was our elevator space, but अभी हम आपको stairs से अपर फ्लोर पे लेकर जाएंगे, विच इज़ ऑल्सो वेरी एक्साइटिंग. सो दिस इज़ द अपर फ्लोर. यहाँ पर भी आपको इटालियन मार्बल मिलता है, एंड देन दिस कुड बी अ पर्सनल लाउंज एरिया जस्ट फॉर द फैमिली. नीचे वाला फ्लोर कैन बी फॉर द गेस्ट और फॉर द फ्रेंड्स, बट दिस कैन बी अ प्राइवेट लाउंज एरिया. यहाँ पे आप, और दिस कैन बी योर एंटरटेनमेंट एरिया. अगेन यू गेट द VRV AC एंड अ ब्यूटिफुल व्यू विद अ फ्रेंच साइज विंडो एंड मस्किटो मैश. बहुत ही प्यारा व्यू है यहाँ से. क्लब हाउस का पूरा क्लब हाउस दिखता है यहाँ से. And then we have 3 bedrooms over here. First, I will take you to the bedroom number 2. Bedroom number 1 हमने already नीचे वाले floor पे cover कर लिया, which was the master bedroom. This is the bedroom number 2. इसके साथ भी आपको wooden flooring मिलती है, attached balcony मिलती है, and you also get a attached washroom with a walk-in wardrobe and VRV ACs. And we also have, let's not forget, we also have the sprinklers and the smoke detectors. So this is how big the bedroom number 2 is going to be. This room can be dedicated to your kids. It has almost everything the kids will get. The attached balcony, और उसके साथ ही साथ उन्हें अपना एक separate wardrobe and washroom भी मिलेगा. This is how big the walk-in wardrobe is going to be for the kids. बहुत ही प्यारा size है इस apartment का, और बहुत ही अच्छा floor map भी है. And this is how the washroom is going to be, with a separate vanity, toilet seat and a separate area for the shower. Alright, so we have covered the bedroom number 1, जो कि हमारे ground floor पे था, and then this is the we are left with the bedroom number 3 and 4. The 4th is our master bedroom. We will keep it for the last. So हमारा bedroom number 3 ये है, and it is again very spacious, wooden flooring के साथ VRV ACs and all the other facilities that I told you before. यहाँ पर भी आपको attached balcony मिलती है with mosquito mesh, and this is a connecting balcony bed from bedroom number 2, and this is the bedroom number 3. बहुत ही प्यारी balcony size है यहाँ पर. Again यहाँ से आपको द्वारका एक्सप्रेसवे पूरा दिख जाता है, and you get the view of the complete Delhi as well and the द्वारका. काफ़ी huge space है. A lot of things can be done in this space. Basically आप इसको divide भी कर सकते हैं. You can utilize this space for your greenery. You can have a green carpet over here. You can have your morning tea or coffees over here. Then this can be just for the walks and just enjoying the view from here. So there are separate things that you can do and create separate themes. And also because this will be your kids room, so यहाँ पर आप कुछ kids setup भी कर सकते हैं. You can have the toys over here or you can have a gondola over here. So काफ़ी अच्छा concept यहाँ पे create हो सकता है. There's a lot of potential. And now we have with this bedroom also काफ़ी huge vanity space आ जाती है. Walk-in wardrobe आ जाता है साथ में. तो आप देख सकते हैं this walk-in wardrobe is bigger than the first one that I showed you. काफ़ी huge wardrobe size है, and then it will connect you towards the bathroom, and the washroom has its own separate shower area, toilet seat and a very good sized vanity. Now the last part of the penthouse, which is our master bedroom. Now this master bedroom has a similar concept that I showed you before on the ground floor of the penthouse, but this one has a separate balcony area. Now as you can see, this is very huge, coming with the wooden flooring of course, and a beautiful view from the balcony. So the sun lighting from here is absolutely amazing, and of course यहाँ से आपको बहुत ही प्यारा view तो मिल ही रहा है, जो कि मैं बार-बार बता चुकी हूँ because it's so good. I have to repeat that. Coming back inside, the room size is wonderful, but the bathroom is again even more better. It has a huge walk-in wardrobe, but उसके साथ ही साथ washroom is amazing. Same concept which was going on the ground floor. Separate cubicle for the shower, huge vanity, a toilet seat, and a bathtub that deserves a master bedroom, right? And of course, there are also, for natural lighting, even in the washroom, they have created big French windows. So because it's top floors, it's going to be amazing. Well, we have shown you many typologies of wind chants, but what do you think about the penthouse? Wasn't it like very different from all the other penthouses you might have seen in many other projects? This one is offering you a plunge pool. I think it is very, very rare. You might have not seen it actually in any other project. It has a beautiful floor map. Also, मैं आपको बताती हूँ कि this is one typology of penthouse. ये 4 BHK था, but penthouse में एक 5 BHK भी है. उसका floor map भी बहुत ही प्यारा है. Similar concept, but will add on to one more bedroom in the complete penthouse. उसके साथ ही साथ काफ़ी ज़्यादा natural lighting है. View is absolutely amazing. यहाँ से आपको बहुत ही ज़्यादा greens का view मिलता है, club house का view मिलता है, द्वारका एक्सप्रेस का view मिलता है. Apart from that, they also have 2 BHKs, 3 BHKs, villa mint, villas, beautiful concept. सप्तऋषि का concept है wind chants में. So यहाँ पे हर चीज़ 7 के multiple में बनाई गई है. We have the villas of 14 villas. The penthouses are 7 towers, beautiful skywalk, a lot of space on the ground floor to walk around, and a huge club house. So everything is almost mentioned in all the other videos. You can go through that if you want any more information apart from that. And for the exclusive deals, you can call us and we will help you out. And I am Priyanka Sharma from Confido, and we'll be signing off for today.